Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to veetutorials. Today I'll be making a videos for a beginners and also advanced users. A lot of people have been dropping questions for me to make a video and also asking me to make a video on how to buy and sell crypto coin. I'll be doing that today by God's willing. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what do you just need to do? All you need to do is to first make a choice of a coin you want to trade or you want to buy. Okay, let's say I want to trade Dodge. No, or I should trade hamster or Pepe, right? Okay, I'm right here in the Pepe. Okay, so I'm right here. So I'm right the Pepe. So let me see where exactly the Pepe is. Then I could choose to dive into the market. Okay, let me look for still another coin. Maybe I should look for hamster. All right, this is hamster. So first thing first, you must make a choice of a coin you want to buy. Okay, if you make a choice of the coin you want to buy, quickly navigate yourself to this place called buy. You either click on this buy or you go to up to this place to click on trade so that it can take you to the phase you wish to buy. All right, so I'll click on the trade. Now we are on it. How do you buy? You first need to click on this place if you want your purchase to be executed instantly. You need to first click on this arrow. If you click on this arrow, you click on market. Okay, if you click on market, you can now come to this place to impute the volume of the USDT you want to buy, or you can just click on this to drag if you want to buy with your whole volume. You can see. All right, so but for it to be clear, we're going to do it manual. So let's say I want to buy with 10 USD. Okay, let's say I want to buy with 10 USD. Now I have done this. Now I'll click on this place to click on buy hamster. So it will be executed immediately because I've chosen market price. You can see it's executed. So you come to this place to see what volumes you have been given. Click on sell. Now if you click on sell, you can see this is the total volume I was allocated to, which is 2,356 hamster with what? With 10 USD. Okay, with 10 USD. So this is simply how to buy. This is simply how to buy crypto coin. Okay, so what if you now want to sell? Because the question says I should make a video about how to buy and sell crypto coins. Okay, so now I want to sell back what I've purchased. I'm going to still leave it on the market rate. I'll click on this place to drag, or I'll impute this 2,350 something here. Okay, so I'll click on this to drag now. Now this is the total volume of what I have purchased and it's showing here now for sale. What do I need to do next? All I just need to do next is to come to this place, to click on sell, in order to convert my fund back to USDT. All right. I will now wish to convert my fund or sell my fund back to USDT. Then click on sell here. So I'm going to click on sell now. Now that I have clicked on sell, I'll click on sell again. Now automatically my fund has been converted. Coming back to this place, you can see my money is back. The only reason why it has been reduced from 75, it is because of gas fee. Now if you purchase, they take a little charges from it. All right, I hope you are getting this video. And if you are not getting this video, drop it in the comment sections. I will attend to you ASAP. If you have any other question newer than this or other than this, you can still drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, for those of us that have been asking this question, I hope your question is answered. And for some of us that's completely novice, I hope this will help you in your crypto journey. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I would like to stop here for today. If you have any question, do not forget to drop it. I will attend to you ASAP. See you in my next video. Bye.